In today's video, we're going to be going over the AND strategy, where I'm going to show you how profitable this strategy is. So let's jump on the charts. One of the main questions I always get asked is, what strategy should I learn to trade first? The binary destroyer indicator has 5 built-in strategies: the Mogwire, the BD, the ANDs, the pullback and bend strategy. And the reason why we have 5 built-in strategies is each one of them has different styles of trading. So perhaps if you're a trend trader, you would trade the pullback or bends because they are trend trading strategies. If you're a swing trader, you would perhaps trade the Mogwire strategy. If you're fast-paced in and out scalper, like to get in trades very fast off the 1 and 5 minute time frame, you would perhaps trade the AND strategy. So each strategy has a different style of trading. So what we're going to do in this new 5-part series is go over each strategy in detail, explain the advantages, the disadvantages, and then we'll do some simulating with it so you can see just how profitable each one of our strategies are, and you can get a better idea of understanding which strategy you should learn first. Because at the end of the day, there is no best strategy. Okay, each one of them has their advantages and disadvantages. You know, if you're a scalper like myself, I love the ANDs and Mogwire. I don't necessarily like the pullback or bends because I'm not really a long-term trend trader. You know, I don't like holding trades for long periods of time. I like fast-paced in and out trading, so I'll prefer the ANDs or Mogwire. So each one suits different styles of trading. Now in this video, we're going to be covering the AND strategy, so let's quickly jump straight in it. So the AND strategy was originally created by a BD member's wife, who, believe it or not, was called Anne. Now the actual member itself was called Michael Austin. He created the Mogwire strategy and his wife created the AND strategy. While Michael was he's a plumber. No, I think he's a gas engineer actually. While he was out at work, his wife was at home trading the binary destroyer, and she adjusted a couple of the settings. She changed the parameters of the arrows, and she ended up coming up with this strategy, and we named it after her, the AND strategy. Now the strategy itself was originally designed for binary options, but since binary options got banned in 2009, we have adapted it for Forex trading. It's a fast-paced in and out scalping strategy, normally for the 1 and 5 minute time frame. It's a very good strategy, this is. If you like fast-paced trading, this is good. Now the advantages of this strategy are, it's simple and easy strategy to understand and trade. It's basically looking for an arrow outside of the band. It couldn't be any more simpler. And in fact, the binary destroyer gives us an alert when that happens. We'll go over it in detail soon. You'll see once we simulate it what we're looking for with this strategy. But you'll understand it's a very, very simple strategy to trade. This strategy as well will also teach you the importance of money and trade management. And again, we'll go over it in detail, but believe me, this part here is what will make you profitable with this strategy. If you are a beginner, this will teach you a lot about how important money and trade management is, and you will see when we simulate this strategy that it's this part here that will make us a lot of money, not the strategy itself, because the strategy is simple. It's just waiting for an arrow. Okay, it's about as simple as you can get, but it's this part here that will make you profitable. This strategy, if traded successfully, can deliver a high risk reward ratio. So normally this is a fast-paced in and out scalping strategy. It's perfect for binary options, but as we have adapted it for Forex, you can get around 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 1-to-4, 1-to-5 risk reward ratio. So we're risking 1% to potentially make 5% return back. Now because of that, we don't really need a high win ratio. We can be profitable with a low win ratio, meaning that if we take 100 trades, we can lose 70 of them, win 30% win ratio, and still make money. Okay, and that's the advantages of this strategy. Now, with every strategy, it's going to have its disadvantages. Now, the first one is the probability of winning are against us. Okay, now I've actually put this in here because this is part of every strategy out there. It doesn't matter if you trade indicators or price action. Nobody will tell you this, but I will, because I'm a straight talking person. This here is for every strategy out there. Okay, let me explain to you what I mean. Okay, if you have a strategy, just bear with me here, right, and listen to what I'm saying. If you have a strategy that delivers a 90% win ratio, so you perhaps watch a video and some guys, oh, I've got a 95% win ratio. We'll just keep it simple, 90%. I have a strategy that gives me 90% win ratio. Now that means that if I take 100 trades, I'm going to win 90 of them. I'm going to lose 10 of them, correct? 90% win ratio. Now that's great if you're taking 100 trades because there's a 24-hour day, okay? And if you're trading during those 24-hour day, that strategy will deliver 100 trades, 90 will be winners, 10 will be losses. Now that's great if you're a robot and you can sit there and take every single trade. The problem is you're not going to take every single trade. You'll perhaps do maybe 1 to 3 hours worth of trading a day. Okay, you're probably going from work and you'll do 2 hours worth of trading a day. Now, because you're not trading for 24 hours, you're not going to be taking 100 of those trades. You're going to be taking probably 5 or 6, and they're completely random trades, 5 or 6 random trades out of that 100. Now, that means that out of those 5 or 6 trades that you take, they could be all losses. They could be all losses. Even though it's a 90% win ratio, 10% of losses, during your trading period, you can hit all of those losses. Okay? And the time that you're not trading, you can hit all of those winners. And unfortunately, that is the probability of trading. There's nothing you can do about that. That is for every strategy out there. Even if you're trading smart money concepts, price action, real in-depth, that will happen. Even if you move over to the 1 4-hour daily time frame, you will miss setups, and unfortunately this is part of trading. Okay, so I put this in here, but realistically it's for every strategy out there. Quick entry point is needed. So this is going back to the fact that we need a quick entry point. Literally, I worked out the statistics the other day. I think it's around 70 or 80% of the time when we get an arrow, the next candle will go into our favor. So as soon as the arrow closes, we have to get that perfect entry point, literally within seconds. So yeah, a quick entry point is needed. And I've also put in here some basic price action would help. It's not really necessarily because we're just taking arrows. I mean, literally we are just taking arrows with a good money management. But it is good to have a basic understanding of market knowledge, support and resistance, trend trading, because, some losers that are going to happen perhaps might be against the trend. So it's good to have a basic understanding, but it's not necessarily, because all we're trading here is arrows outside the bands. So let's head over to the charts now and let's simulate the AND strategy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to simulate the AND strategy on GBPUSD 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let me just quickly load it up now. And we're just going to completely freestyle. We're just going to basically press play on the simulator. We're going to take every single arrow that appears. And yeah, I'll show you how to show you how good this strategy is. So let me first of all get rid of the Mogwai strategy. We're trading the AND strategy. We're going to get rid of the RSI. We're going to get rid of the MACD. And here we are here. Let's put this like this here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to have a trading session. Every single arrow that appears, we're going to take a trade. Let me move my webcam. That's a little bit better. Yeah. Now, I want to quickly touch on, at the start of this video, I said that every strategy you trade, the probability of winning will be against you. And that is true. Okay. Every strategy you trade, even if price action, the odds of winning are always against you. You're going to get a series of winners. You're going to get a series of losses. You're going to get winners, losses, all winners. That's a strategy for you. Okay, even if, like I said, you have a 95% win ratio, you're going to get 5 losses, you know, and during that time that you're trading, you can get all 5 losses. You could literally take all 5 losses, and then the other time that you're not trading, you can hit 95 winners. And it's called the probability, right? But I'm going to show you tricks, right? A lot of traders don't tell you this, but the tricks on staying consistent is about decent money management, you know, walking away in a profit, walking away in a loss. You know, if you're taking loss after loss after loss, you've got to know when to walk away and come back another day, okay? Because the probability the next day is going to be different. Today's not your day. I've had a few losses, I'll close my laptop down, I'll move on, I'll come back tomorrow, and I might hit all of those winners. That's trading for you. Every strategy is the same. You'll hit consistent winners, you'll hit consistent losses. It's trading. Even if you look at the price action around it, you know, there will be reasons why certain trades lost. So here we go here. First trade with the AND strategy. The good thing about this, the binary destroyer didn't give, it did give me a setup. The good thing about the binary destroyer is it will only give me a signal when an arrow appears outside the zone. That is it. That is literally this strategy, and that is it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio on this one. Okay, so 1 to 2 risk reward. You can use a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. You know, you can double up on your trades. You can maybe do win, win, win. When you get a loss, come back another day, whatever, right? What will make you consistent is the money management we're using in this strategy. It's not the actual strategy itself. It's just taking arrows. That is literally all it is. Look, right? We'll go for 1% risk, 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. Yeah. So there you go. Oh, hang on here. That's too much. We need to use a tighter stop loss. So let's go for 7 pip stop loss, 14 pip take profit. Yeah. We'll go with that one. Okay. I mean, okay. Ready? Hopefully this trade wins. Please win. Press play. Okay, and we get stopped out. We lose 1%. It's not the end of the world. We move on. Okay, we'll carry on here. And you'll understand what, here we go here. So second trade, you see this? Signal down. That is literally all it is. As soon as this appears, I'm taking a trade. I'm literally taking a trade. So we'll use a 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to double up on this trade. I'm going to double up. There's my stop loss. There's my take profit. Hopefully we win the trade. Nice. We've now made 3% gain. Nice. That is it. Literally, the strategy itself is easy. It's literally just taking arrows. Here's another one. Okay, I'm not going to double up on this one. We're going to go for a 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit again. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Do we win the trade? No, we lose the trade. Okay, we've got a back-to-back setup here. We'll take this one here. Again, we'll go for a 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. Okay. And do we win the trade? Nice. Okay, we're now back up 4% gain. That is it. Literally just taking arrows. Like I said, what's going to make you consistent is the money management we're using. And this is going back to about the probability is always against you. You'll see here, we'll get a series of winners. We'll get a series of losses, right? You know, but it's about what you do when you get those losses. Are you going to walk away? Are you going to use a decent money management where we can, you know, on the next trade, we go for 1% risk, 5% profit. Do we double up? You know, it's that side of trading that will make you consistent. And this is why, you know, I encourage everybody to trade this kind of strategy because it will teach you about managing trades. So I'm going to go for a 7 pip stop loss, 14 pip take profit. Okay, so again, not 1 to 2. We get stopped out. Okay, it is what it is. Look for the next trade. Okay. Oh, here we go. Next trade. Okay, so again, we'll take this trade. Now, this trade is against the trend. I can see it's against the trend. So we'll go for quite a wide. In fact, let's go another one. 7 pip stop loss, 14 pip take profit. Okay, hopefully we win the trade. In fact, no, I'll go for a little bit wider on this one. I'll go for an 8 pip stop loss for a 16 pip take profit. In fact, let's not go for a 16 pip take profit. Let's go for a 50 pip take profit. A 50 pip. So 8 pip stop loss, 50 pip take profit. And just to show you, because I know you, just to show you where that take profit is, I'll make it white. There you go there. Can you see that there? There's my take profit. I'm not saying this trade is going to win. I might close it off early. But what I'm going to, please don't. Yeah, nice. Okay, and I'll close it off there. That this is all to do with managing trade. How did I know that was going to happen? Nice. It's all to do with managing your trades. You know, that's what makes you consistent. So we're going to look for the next arrow now. I'll make this, by the way, I'll make this background just slightly darker so you can actually see. We'll go for grey. There we go there. You can see that, yeah? We'll make, and again, as soon as, in fact, I'll make it a bit darker as well, because darker grey, slate, there we go there. That's better. And what we'll do is we'll just make it. Oh, hang on here. I've got a setup here. I've got a setup here. Okay, so let's take this trade. Again, we'll go for a 6 pip stop loss. Take profit. What should we do? 50 pips, 100 pips. Let's go with 18 pips. 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Okay, nice. 1 to 3. Okay, so 6, 12, 18. Yeah, let's go for 1 to 3. Do we win the trade? Nice. Now up 8% now. 8%. This is what I said. It's not the strategy is the easy part here. The hardest part is the money management. Understanding, okay, we lost a trade. What we're going to do? We're going to use a wider stop loss. We're going to look at a bit of price action around it. Is it against the trend? Is it with the trend? As you'll find here, if you actually just go here, right? Most of these trades are winning on binary. Look at this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That trade would have won on a 5 or 10 minute expiry on binary. Where was he won? Here. 10 minute expiry wins here on binary. Another one here. 5 or 10 minute expiry wins on binary. This one here wins. All the trades that we've took so far have won on binary. Winner, winner, and winner. So literally, if we were trading this on binary, 100% now. And on Forex we've made 8% gain. But you'll see now we will hit losses with this strategy, and with every strategy you trade, you will hit a series of losses and we will hit a series of winners. It's normal. This is where beginners, when they start losing trades, this is when they walk away. They go, oh, I want to learn another strategy because it's not working for me, right? If you have a decent money management, you can afford it. Look here, right? Let's take this trade. This trade's against the trend, right? Look at this downtrend. It's created a double bottom pattern, so it might win, might be a support line here. Let's go for a 6 pip stop loss, 18 pip take profit again. Okay, so another 1 to 3. Do we win the trade? Please win. Please win. Oh, it's fighting. It's fighting. It's coming. Nice. There you go there. Now made 11% gain. So nice little 1 to 3 risk on that one, and that one won. We would look, you see here, we actually would have got more. You could have got more out of that trade. 1 to 4 maybe. Okay, this one here, I might actually use a tighter take profit on this one. I might go for a 1 to 2 because you see how it's an uptrend. I might just use a riskier. By the way, my risk stays the same. Okay, I'm always risking 1%, but I'm going to go for an 8 pip stop loss, 16 pip take profit. Okay, so still 1 to 2, still a good decent money management thingy. 1% risk. Okay, please win. Come on, come down, come down, come down. Yes, yes, yes. 14% gain. Nice. Obviously we're hitting all winners at the minute, but we will get losses. It's normal. Okay, we are going to get losses. Here we go. Here you go. Here's a loss. Here's a loss here. Okay, so we're going to take this trade here. Again, we'll go for a 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. Yeah, 1 to 2. Oh, hang on here. I'm going to go for a little bit tighter on this one. I'm going to go for 4 pip stop loss, 8 pip take profit. Even though I know this trade loses, I'm just going to be fair. Yeah, see, even on binary that trade would have lost. Oh, okay. Next arrow here. Next arrow. But again, it's what you do. Is what you do when you get those losses. See here. This is our second loss. This is our second loss, and this is normally, if you're trading, you walk away, come back another day. Okay, it's about what you do. What makes you a good trader is about what you do when you get losses, not profit, because everybody wants profit. When everything's going your way, you don't moan. Life's amazing. When it doesn't go your way, then you look to blame other people. Oh, the strategy doesn't work, or the market hates me, or whatever, right? It's part of the game. It's just part of the game. So 5% risk on this, 5% stop loss, 10% take profit. Yeah, risky, big wide of a stop loss, but oh, hang on here. Oh, I got back-to-back setup here. I got back-to-back. Okay, so we lost that trade. So second loss. Yeah. Let's go for another trade. Okay, so we'll go for a 4 pip stop loss, 8 pip take profit. Yeah. So 4 pip stop loss, 8 pip take profit. Do we win the trade? Yes, we win the trade. So as you can see here, we had a series of losses. We've now had we now had a winner, and we've made back our profit, because remember, we are risking 1% to make 2% return. So we lost 1%, we lost 2%, and we've made 2% back. So we're now back at where we started. That is good money management. And what we could do now is just to be a little bit brave, right? Now we're starting to get into the profit. Now we're risking the profit, right? We're not risking the capital now. We're risking the profit. I'm going to up my lot size on this one. Okay, I'm going to up my lot size. I might get it wrong. I might lose it. But let's go for 2% risk. 4 pip stop loss, 8 pip take profit. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this... Nice. 18% gain. 18% gain. Right, and just to see, oh, hang on here, got back-to-back setup. I got a back-to-back setup. You know what? I'm gonna be a little bit cheeky on this one, because I think I'm just gonna use a bit of price action. See that support line? See that resistance? I'm gonna keep doubling up on this one. I'm gonna double up again. I'm gonna go for 4 pip stop loss, 8 pip take profit. Please win. Oh, that is well unlucky. Look at that. Look at that. That literally kissed my take profit. That kissed it. But, a loss is a loss. Okay. We've got losses, people. Oh, hang on it. We've got a trade. And now because I got too cocky, I'm going to reduce that risk again, back to 1%. Again, I'm going to go for a 6 pip stop loss. 12 pip take profit on this one. I was so close to making 20%. So close. And we lose the trade. Okay, so we've now got 2 losses in a row. 2 losses in a row. Oh, hang on a minute. That's not a trade. That's not a trade, because that arrow is not outside the zone. Ooh, hang on a minute. That is not a trade either. That is not a trade, because that arrow is not outside the zone. That trade is not outside the zone, so I'm not taking that one. Nor is that one either. I'm not taking that one. And we'll just keep going and going and going. Oh, thought we had a setup there. Nope. Okay, we're going to keep going. Like I said, look, this is part of the strategy, part of every strategy out there. You notice how we're getting a period of no setups. This is normal. You notice how before we had back-to-back setup, winners, losses. Now we get nothing. It's normal. This is just part of every strategy out there. Why am I not getting any setups? Well, you will. In the next 5 minutes, I might literally get back-to-back setups. I don't know. Who knows? Okay. Somebody said about turning this into an EA. It really should be an EA. Okay, right. Oh, hang on it. Is that a setup? No, that is not a setup. In fact, let me just say if the binary destroyer tells me that's a setup. No, even the binary destroyer says that's not a setup. So that is not a setup. Right. Stop. I thought I had a setup just there. Let me just go back here. I have. Give me a sec. I've got to take it back now. I've got to take it all the way back now because I've got a setup. Where's it gone? Here we go. Yes. Hold on. Give me a sec. Let me move myself out of the way. I put myself in the top left corner. I've got a setup at the bottom just here. Oh, hang on here. I've got back-to-back setup. Completely missed them too. Okay. I wouldn't normally take these setups because of how volatile. Look at those candlesticks. But, you know, for the purpose of this test, we will take the trades. Okay, right. So. Okay, right. Okay, so ideally not best to take this trade here. But the buyer sure has told me we've got a back-to-back setup here. Look at that. Signal up, signal down. So we'll take this trade. Okay, so stop loss on this one. We'll go for... No, we're not. We're going to go for a tighter one. We're going to go for a 6 pip stop loss. We'll go for an 8 pip stop loss. 12 pip take profit. No, 16 pip take profit. Yeah, so stop loss, take profit is way up there. Now this is awkward. You see how we've got a back-to-back setup here. Now I'm not doing this because I know both trade wins. When I don't mind taking a back-to-back buy and sell setup. If this trade's in profit now, again, keep note of what I'm doing, the money management here. If a trade is going in profit and it's in profit and I get a sell trade, I will close that trade off in profit and I'll open up a sell trade. If I get a buy trade and I'm still in that buy trade and I get another buy trade, I will not take that second buy trade because I'm putting too much risk on the table. If I've got 2 buy trades open and both of those buys lose, then it's not good, right? I've lost a lot, you know, I've lost 2%. If I've got a buy and sell, it's okay, right? Because one of them's going to win. So I've closed this buy off in profit and I'm now going to open up a sell. Again, this one I'm actually going to go for a 5 pip stop loss. 10 pip take profit. So stop loss above the arrow, take profit below here. Okay, so stop loss. Hopefully this trade wins as well. Come down. There we go. There, 18%. So now back to 18% before I got cocky and started upping my risk. Okay, we got a trade here. Okay, right. Do I want to be a little bit cocky on this one? I'm not going to be cocky on this one because of the downtrend. See the downtrend? So I'm going to go for, again, 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. So allowing the trade to move against me. See what I'm doing here? Because this is a downtrend, I'm allowing for the trade to move against me. I lose the trade anyway. Oh, hang on it. I got a buy trade. Notice how both of these trades win on binary. That one won. And this one here. I'm going to take another 5 pip. I'm going to go for a 7 pip stop loss on this one. And the reason being is I'm going to put my stop loss below this support. See that low just here? That's where I'm going to put my support, but my stop loss, because that's the support line. Hopefully this trade wins. Nope, I lose that one as well. So again, we're now back to a series of losses and winners. And again, that's normal in trading. Oh, hang on it. Got another loss. So again, we're now back. We've now had 3. I'm just going to take this trade. I know this trade loses, so let's just take the trade. You know, I mean, this trade clearly loses. But like I said, we've now got, even with this strategy, we've now had a series of back-to-back losses. We've now had a series of back-to-back losses. I've actually got a sell at the top here. And that's normal. That is literally normal. And there's nothing you can do about it. You know, like I said, we get a series of winners. We had literally, what do we have? 3 back-to-back winners. Now we get 3 back-to-back losses. It's normal. I've got a winner at the top here. Now I'm going to increase my lot size on this one, and I'm actually going to sit, and just to kind of prove my point on this one, I'm going to go, hang on here, this is telling me to go for a 20 pip stop loss, a 17 pip stop loss. You know what? I'm not going to increase my lot size on this one. I'm going to increase my take profit. I'm going to go for 100 pip take profit on this one. So stop loss, take profit. Let's see, right? I'm going to manage this trade because this looks like the top. Normally, like I said, I'd close it off somewhere around here. But this might be the start of a downtrend. Oh, hang on here. No, we're slowing down. Come on. Stop, stop, stop. No, stop. I was going to close it off just there. I was just going to close it off just there. So, give me a sec. I got that too fast. Here. Just down here. Just here. I'm going to close it off there. The reason why I've closed it off here is because notice how we started to struggle. See how we're starting to struggle here? There's a support line. It's like prices come down and struggled here. Well, if price is struggling to go lower, well, what's it going to do? It's going to go up in it because it's not going lower because it's struggling to go lower. So we made money there. We made money, 16%. I'm going to keep pressing play. Okay, and we're going to press play. Oh, hang on it. Hold on it. We're back. We're back. Oh, hang on here. I've missed a lot of trades. I've missed 3 trades here. I think this is what's gonna tip us over. I think this is what's gonna make our 20%. So what do we have? We had a loss, didn't we? We had a series of losses. Then we had a winner. Then we've had another winner here. This is our second winner now. Okay. We've got our second winner just here. See that? So again, we're going to go for a 5% stop loss, 10% take profit. There's our oh, hang on here. That's way too tight. That's way too. Okay, 3 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. Tight stop loss, take profit. Yeah, nice. That's better. And then we had a trade just here. See that trade just there? Now again, just keep note of this one because this trade, oh, hang on here, actually got a double bottom just there. I know this trade loses, but you know, for the sake of it, we got a double bottom just there. I'm going to put again, we'll go for a 3 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. I mean, the trade loses anyway, so it is what it is. And hang on here. I missed that trade there. That's the trade that I lost. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We lost the trade anyway. So 18% gain. So let's find one more. Oh, here we go there. There it is. I think this is the winning trade. Just here. Binary said, signal up. This is the winning trade that's going to make us our 20%. Well, I hope it makes our 20%. Okay, so 3 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit, yeah? 1 to 3. Let's see if you win the trade. Yes, there we go there. 22% gain. We got there eventually. I wish I'd actually added up to see how many trades we actually took. In fact, let's do it. Let's actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to tell us our win ratio with this strategy. Because I can actually have a look at all the trades here. So let me just pause the video. I'm going to come back. I'm going to write. Oh, in fact, let's do it together. Actually. Where's my pen? Where's my pen? So we have took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, hold on, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 trades. Okay, let's count how many are winners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let me just try and work out I'll actually work out the percentage of this, see if I can do it on my phone. No, hang on here. I'm going to work it out quickly for you. Percentage calculator. Okay, right. So we have. Sorry, I used the wrong calculator. This one here. Number of wins. Okay, here we go here. Number of wins, which was 13, and a number of losses, which is 11. 0 ties. Calculate. There we go there. 54% win ratio. So there you go there. The AND strategy, we did a 54% win ratio, but we finished off with a 23% gain. So there you go. That's the AND strategy. And that's the importance of a decent money management. You see how the money management here, we kept in profit. So yeah, that is the AND strategy with the binary destroyer. If you have any questions, drop me an email at thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.